nature, art, architecture is in kilometer down near Pashupatinath temple. This Bagmati is totally dead. So this rafting campaign would like to convey a message to keep the Bagmati alive like in Sundarijal. So this rafting campaign will give a great message to keep our river safe, to have a communication with the river. Namaste, good morning. Today we are going to Shivpuri National Park. This is Sundarijal, very beautiful place, very near from the Kathmandu crowd. So we just have come here to organize the rafting organization. Yes. But along with this, we would like to show you the beauty of the nature, the origin of Bagmati River. Let's see what type of waterfall there, how Bagmati River really running there. So let's have a conversation with Bagmati River. That's why I have brought you over here. Please, let's see. Yeah, very hello, here we are to enjoy the sound of nature, the songs of nature. So here we are to communicate with the nature. So on this hiking route we don't have to buy mineral water. We have a natural. We have a feeling and a sharing our emotion with the nature. So let's enjoy the nature. Let's enjoy the songs of the nature. Where to go to the Mateswar Mahadev temple. Mateswar Mahadev temple is a very famous pilgrimage place for the Hindu people around Kathmandu Valley and around the districts. So this very holy place has the importance of Lord Shiva's grace, because it is believed that this river has originated from the head of the Shiva, from the deadlock of the Lord Shiva. So let's see, let's have a look, the waterfall, the river flowing from the deadlocks of Lord Shiva, Mateswar Mahadev. This is the place I already mentioned there. The river originated from the deadlock of Lord Shiva. This waterfall is one of the beauty of feeling as though I am in the lap of nature. I am breathing the nature, I am feeling the nature, and I am expressing the nature as though I am in the heaven. After driving 5 kilometers from the Kathmandu, we can see such a beautiful place over here. That river, Bagmati River, which is originated from the deadlock of Lord Shiva, is here. Dear friends, now we are going to show you the rafting performance and rafting campaign with a message to keep the Bagmati alive, because Bagmati River is already dead. So you would like to see the Bagmati as it is, as its original place. So let's enjoy rafting on the Bagmati River, please.
र हाम्रो बागमतीसँग संवाद गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ।
Hello, namaste, good morning, welcome to my channel. I already mentioned that we serve you culture, nature, art, architecture, cuisine, different varieties, different disciplines about Nepal. So today we are going to show you a rafting campaign on the Bagmati River. This is Bagmati River. This is the origin place of Bagmati River. It's a Sundarijal. From here, this very crystal clear Bagmati, after 2 to 3 kilometers down, near Pashupatinath temple, this Bagmati is totally dead. So, this rafting campaign would like to convey a message to keep the Bagmati alive like in Sundarijal. So this rafting campaign will give a great message to keep our river safe, to have a communication with the river, to have a share of feelings and emotions with the river, because this is our life that we must not forget in our life. So this river, as per our Hindu religion, is the main God, main source of God, river taken as a God, and we worship this river. We have a holy bath on very special occasion like Maghe Sakranti, like every starting of the day. So this is very great occasion to have here and to show you this performance of rafting campaign to share the river.